Hi, it's Kathy the Crafty Chica, and I'm going to show you how to make ornaments using air dry clay. I love this stuff. You could use it any time of the year. It dries rock hard. It's easy to paint. It's just a versatile medium to work with. You can buy it at the craft store or online, and it comes in white or terracotta. I love the terracotta, especially for this project because the ornaments end up coming out looking like little gingerbread cookies. So what I like to do is use 2 paint sticks for my thickness. I put one on either side. I put a piece of printer paper underneath so that the clay will roll out nice and smooth. Once I have it to the thickness that I want, then I'm going to bring in the cookie cutter. And this is a little cookie cutter in the shape of a house, and you just want to go ahead and press it in there. If you work with fired ceramics, you could also use this with the low fire or high fire clay or air dry clay. It's just a fun project to make these little ornaments. So after you have it cut out, you want to carefully remove it from the cookie cutter and smooth down the edges so that it looks nice and finished. And now you can take another pinch of the clay, roll that out so it's nice and flat, and then use a craft knife to cut out a little heart. Or you could do a ribbon or letters or flowers, whatever it is that you decide. I'm going to make this little collection of ornaments, all of them with a little heart on it. So I'm just going to place the heart on the clay. The clay is very moist, so you can just press it in there and it will stick. Don't forget to poke a little hole at the top so you could put a string through it later so you could hang it. I live in Arizona, a very dry climate. I let these dry for 24 hours and now they are rock hard. So you could go through with the little nail file, sand down the edges so that it's nice and smooth all the way around. And now they're ready to be painted. You can just use regular craft paint from the craft store. These are regular craft acrylics. I'm using a fine tip brush and a head pin to add different decorations. And there's 2 ways you can go about it. You can leave them matte and not add any glaze and just add the paint, but I like them nice and shiny. So I added a coat of shiny brush on varnish, let it dry, and then I painted on top of it, and then I'm gonna give them another coat of glaze after this. So these are the finished houses unglazed. Now for the varnish, I'm using a water-based brush on varnish. It's the holiday season. We want that shiny pop. I know at least I do. And after that, I just added some twine to hang them up and they came out super cute. You could use them as gift tags or little gifts. You could sign the back of them a nice little message. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check me out at craftychica.com and on TikTok and Instagram. Thanks, guys.